Hi there, this is Zaheer Ahmed, and in this video we will learn how to make text portrait effect in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Welcome back to brilliant world of Adobe Photoshop. So I'm deleting all effects. So here we are a photo that we want to make a portrait. You can call it subject. First of all, we need to do just make a copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl J and simply go to filters, blur, and then Gaussian blur. You can increase the higher value according to your image. So I am putting here 9 and hit OK. Now simply go to File, Save, and you can choose any name. So I am making here displacement map and save and hit OK. Now this layer we don't need anymore, so I am deleting here. And now choose the text tool, type a paragraph that you want to make. So I have copy already, so just Ctrl V, paste it, and change the text color black and hit OK. Now make sure you don't have any space in your subject and hit OK. Now convert into a smart object by pressing right click and convert to smart object. Now select this layer and go to filters, distort, and displace. Now you can choose the vertical and horizontal scale 25 and 20. Now leave the all options as same and hit OK. Now choose that file that we saved before, like this displace, and hit OK. Now simply just drag this layer, subject layer, above the text layer. Now just right click on it and make it clipping mask, just like this. Now go to adjustment layers and take a solid background that should be black and drag it under the layer, just like this. You can even change the displacement, vertical and horizontal size. So double click on it and you can change the values later. And there we are. So if you want to add some color on this text, so simply just select this layer and select on subject, and it will detect the subject. So select this layer and just click on mask, and it will create the mask. Now we can change the color of our text. Now simply select this layer and make a color lookup table on it, just like this. And I'm using here edgy amber, like something boldish, and you can choose even opacity or fill. So fill is work better. Now our subject is ready. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. I will see you in my next one. Stay tuned, and Allah Hafiz.